Hello friends, welcome back e-commerce project in Laravel 10. Last video we have discussed how to make dynamic inside a filtering. Today we are working like a e-commerce. So e-commerce inside we ever did inside last video how make a dynamic like categories, colors, brands. So in this video we can do like get the ID. Suppose you are clicking on this one, so we need a get ID and after we can make a filter. Suppose you did here, suppose you did here, suppose you did here. So for each loop wise we can get the data using the JavaScript. And also you are click on the colors, so we can get the ID because here's the only one way works, so only one way we are getting the ID. Same thing, Nokia is like multiple means the checkbox works, so we need to get the ID and we need to call the Ajax and we can get the data. And same thing, price range, suppose you are moved like this price, so we need to get data and we need to do the filtering. So I can show you step by step. First we can do it like category, after we can do it colors, after we can do it brand, and last one we can do it like price. And also here there most view and date wise, like a date is like order by, most rated means is like a review, and like a most popular, so is a meaning about that. I can show you step by step how we can do it. Okay, and I have another request. You are new in the channel or in this series, so please subscribe and please press the bell icon, so whatever content we are uploading, so you always get the notification, you can start immediately new thing learning. So let's start now and I can show you how we can do it like a category works. Okay, so let's go to resources. Inside you need to go to views. Inside you can see like product. Inside we have there list.blade.php. So taking time because it's the first time open. This is the reasons. Let's make some zoom out so you can see it proper way. Here is the get products. Next down I can go. So you can see it like categories. Here you can see it our dynamic categories. Okay. Here is the colors. And also is a brands. And last one is a price. So let's make first category how it's work. So simple. First of all, we need to provide here is a ID like a value. So how we can do it value? Well, and we need to provide our ID like F category means category ID means filter category ID because F means the filter. Okay, let's make this scroll down so it look like professional show. So you can see it clearly. Also, we need to provide one class like you are a change category like this class you can provide whatever do you want to like you can do it your end. But I like it like a change category. Okay, so this is the my class name. Let's scroll down and I can write some JavaScript code. So first of all, what we did, we have created one class and also we have provided like a value for this one. So what we can do, whatever checkbox you checked like here, let's make open, whatever checkbox you checked, this ID I need to get inside a JavaScript. And after we need to call our Ajax. So let's scroll down and we can write a JavaScript code. Sorry. Let's make bigger. So scroll down. Here I can do it like a script. And just is very simple like change category because C is capital. Okay, dot, and here I can make like change inside I need to write a functions. 1 minute, very uncomfortable. Okay, now functions. Okay, functions, and inside we need to write our code. So here we are using like a change like a events. Suppose anybody can click here like a checkbox unchecked. So this is the meaning about like change event inside JavaScript. Suppose you can do like this, so it's possible because change event we need. Okay, now we need to get the data like where id dollar this dot value. Okay, so this means this is the class name and dollar value means this is the unit to get inside a this value like this one. Okay, so let's scroll down again and let's show you instead of the using the console log. So console.log id, and after we can check and we can go back and we can refresh the page so we can check it's working not working. After you are using the windows, so you press the F12, otherwise you can go right click and you can use like inspect. So open the terminal means inspect elements you can open. Okay, so I checkbox, so it is not working. Why is not working? Let's refresh because I have not refreshed these reasons. Once refresh and I just click, so you see before is not refreshed this reason. You see now I am getting the data. You can see it here like 8, 12, 30, 50. You see, so you can understand what I am talking about. You see, Suppose you uncheck, so also getting. So what we can do, we need to work here like a for each loop inside. So how it can work, like just you can copy each, okay, each inside go. So this is the class against I need to for each. So now I can check like a console.log value. I don't need now this one, okay. This means this is the change event and this is the like each loop. So this each loop inside we need to get the all the data like console log id. Okay, so let's save and just go back again, refresh the page. So it's taking a few seconds. Okay, let's refresh the hard refresh. So just go back and we can click here. So you see you are click, so all the id is printing. Suppose I clear here and I just checked. So you see 12, 10, 13, 8, 11 and 9. So what we can do, we need only checked id. We don't need like last two id because you are checked like 12, 10, 13, 8. We don't need. Suppose I can uncheck. So also we need only like whatever you check this id we need. So how we can do it, like if dollar this, sorry, this dot checked, so it's going to inside, okay. So whatever content checked here like dollar this above, this is the unit to go inside, and I can go scroll down and I just put here console dot log, and here I can put like a id. So please carefully watch what I am doing, okay. Just we need like dollar this means that this is the class name. Inside you can check this is the checked, okay, checked, so it's going to inside and we need to print. So let's go back again, refresh the page and I can show you. So I just check, you see 12 is not printing other. Suppose I can print, so 12 and 30 here you can see like count change like 2. Let's clear so you can see it. So I check, so 12, 13, 8, you see. So it's working very well. Whatever you checked, this is the id you are getting, but this id we need to concat. So how we can concat, just we need to use here one variable where ids, otherwise category ids, whatever do you want to like you can use it. Okay, now we need to go inside and here I can make like a plus is equal to, this is the concat like plus, okay, and here you can do it like id, and here you can put again plus and a comma, okay. So let's print this id console log that id in down. So let's go back again, refresh the page so we can understand it's working not working, okay. So let's go back again and I refresh. You see 12, 13, whatever you content, suppose you are remove, so you can 10. Suppose you are put like a like this, so you getting like 10, 8, 11, 9. This is the all category id means subcategory id you are getting here, like you can see it here. You see, suppose I click, so this is the main thing about the how we can get the id. Same thing we can do it inside brand, and same thing we can do it inside color you can click, so only one id need. So this is the id we are getting. So what we can do, suppose here is the id we are getting, like, okay. So this id again we need to create o1 form, because without form is impossible to do it. So just scroll up and here we can do it like a form, okay, form, and here I can provide like id like a filter form, and here I can like method is equal to post, okay, action is equal to blank. Now next point here our, like we need to use hidden field like input type is equal to text. Right now you can just use text because I need to show, and here I can make like a category subcategory id, sorry, subcategory id. Now also we need to provide like a one id get subcategory id, like get subcategory id. So whatever id you are getting inside a change category, so we need to put inside a form. So simple way, just you can make like dollars, and here you can make like hash because we are using the id attribute. So value, so this is the ids, okay. So let's go back again form. So what we have did, we have used like one form, inside we are getting the data about the whatever you checked. So let's show you how it works, okay. So just go back again, refresh the page, And here you can see like checkbox showing. Suppose I choose, you see it is working very well. Suppose you can see we are getting the data here. So we need to make like this form wise filter using the Ajax, but I can show you how we can do it. But first we are getting the all the IDs in this video. Okay, means we can call also Ajax. We can try our best. Okay, now next point is a colors. Suppose you choose the color, so we need to choose here color. Suppose here is the two colors. Suppose whatever color you choose, we need to do, and we also use the active class. This one take time. Let's sort out like brand. So brand same is a like a category, so we can do it easily. Okay, so let's go scroll down. Here's the category done. Colors take time because of the we need to use active class, so we know which one is selected. Okay, change things, you can do it like a change category, the change brand, and here you can provide like value, because one is a try take time to explain, second one so you can understand better way what we can do it. Okay, same, scroll down and you can do it same thing like a change, and you can put here, and also you can change here, and here also you can change. Here we are getting the IDs, this ID. Now we need to get brand ID, we need to do like this. Okay, get brand ID. So just go up and we can create like another text fields, same things like here. It's very simple, very easy. Get brand ID, and here you can make like a brand ID whatever you checked. So it's done. Let's show you step by step, and you can see like first we have create class, after we are getting the data, and after we have this get data is, and we are stored inside one input box. So let's save these files and just go back again, refresh the page. So here you can see like two text box showing, one is a category and second one is like brand. So you can see brand showing. So because of we have made one, so it's automatic works, you see. So this is the also works. Now our next point is like a colors. So first of all we need a active class. Suppose you are click, so we need to add class. Suppose here you click, so we need to get this class. Okay, so active class, suppose you can add again, so we need to remove this class. So how we can do it is very simple way we can do it. First of all we need to create a background color, so we need to make like a one active class. So let's make it how it's look like show. So we can use like a black border about this active class. So border 2px solid and like a black. Suppose anybody clicks, so is like this active class we can add, so we know okay we are choose. Otherwise you can make like 3px, so look like show. Okay, let's make 3px in black shadow. Whatever do you want to like, you can do it your end. So just copy and just go up here, and we can create one active class. So style, and here you can make like active color, and you can do it like this. Okay, so let's go to color filter again, and we have done like active class like a border 3 solid and black colors. So just scroll down and you can see it, here is your color. So here is a click event work. Here not working like you are doing like this. Here is a click event work. Suppose you are click on this color, so we need to show. So first of all we need to provide here class like a change, other whatever change brand. So same thing you can do it like change colors. Okay, because we need to provide like a proper name like a change category, change brands, so change colors. Also we need to provide like a here id inside we need to provide like a is a color id, because of here is a not input box, so we can do inside a value, but here is a like a id, so we can do it inside a ids. Okay, so let's scroll down and just copy above one, so also possible. And here we don't need like this looping, so just remove. It's very simple, and you can see it here. Okay, change colors, you see. So here we need to check like first of all is click event work not work. So here you can make like click event, because this is not change event, because here we are using the a link. Okay, and also we need to get the data about id. So just you can make like dollar $this where id dollar $this attribute attr, inside you can do it like id, and here you can do it like console.log and id. Okay, so let's try is a change color is working not working. So let's go back again, refresh the page and just scroll down. So let's go to console, and I just click here. So you can see we are getting the id. You see, it's working very well. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, you can see it like. So id working very well because we are getting the id. So what we can do here, we need to add class. Suppose you are active, suppose you are clicking here, so meaning about you are adding the class. Suppose you click on this one, so we need to remove the active class. So how we can do it, we need to maintain one status another, like a data val. Okay, data val is equal to 0, meaning about you are already done, not done inside a add a class like a active colors class. Suppose here 1, so is meaning about here, oh, you already done add class. Okay, I can show you. Suppose you can't understand like this, so let's show you step by step so you can understand. So first of all, we need to get the data, you can understand properly. Okay, where like status, and here I can make like attribute data val. So status out if status is equal to 0, and just go inside, and else part go inside 1 minute. Okay, so this is the class we need to add. Like, so how we can make like this, dollar this dot add class. Dollar this means this is the class name. Suppose you can use directly, so it's possible, but is adding like all the class like here, this one, because it's the same. This means is like specific, whatever you place you click like a add class. Okay, and here you can make like a remove class. Okay, this is the like a one types of events. Okay, add class, remove class, event. Suppose do you know about JavaScript or jQuery, so you can understand better way. But this is the events, but I will create for this new video for the JavaScript, how it's work, how we can use about the change event, how to use like add class, remove class. I can explain like we can create like 1 hour video and I can cover everything, click event. Okay, so don't worry about that, but just you can type right now add class, remove class. Next point here, like you are add class and remove class you done, so we also need to change for the status. So just you can copy and you can put here, and here you can put like a 1 comma after 1. Suppose of here is the add class, so meaning about 1, and suppose you are remove, so here we can pass like a 0. Okay, so let's show you so you can better understand. Okay, I just go back again, refresh the page, and here we can click here, so you can see it here. Okay, active class add not working, so let me check what is the problem. Active colors, and active colors, let's see where is the active colors, why is not showing. One back, I just go back here, style inside style showing, now slider showing, why is not working, because of we have already did. So why is not showing here active class, active colors. Let's refresh, hard refresh, control F5, and we can try again. Sometime generate the issue, this is the problems. So let's see, right now I click here, it's showing the active colors, but why is not showing here. Filter color A, active color, active colors, where is the other one. Let's make control U, because I need to check is my code is available. Yes, is available. Text CSS in active color. Let's make like is important, sometimes is not working, so meaning about like is important, like this you can do it like. Okay, is important. So let's go back again, refresh the page, and we can try again, because sometimes like doing the conflict about another CSS, so generate issue. You see now work, you see now active class add remove, you see you can choose both, so is active, so you remove, so not working because of like we need to do like is important, so you can showing, otherwise sometime other column work, this is not working. So now working like active class, you can see it here. Okay, so same thing we need to use input box here, like we did like category, we did brand, so same thing what we selected colors we need to show here. So how we can do it, same thing we can do it here like a for each loop, like inside a bottom. So just copy this one and you can put here. Okay, here you can change like a change colors, and also you can get like a status, same thing we did here. Okay, you can remove this one like a if loop we don't need, we can leave it if loop. Okay, so just leave it, and you can put like inside status, And also we need to get data like for this like a attribute id. So same thing, you can do it like id for this ones. Okay, here you can declare like ids where ids is equal to blank. So what we are doing here, we are getting the status. So status is equal to 0. Sorry, status is equal to 1. So meaning about you add a like a class. Here you can see data val is equal to 1. We are changing using the click. I can show you. And here you are getting the IDs. Okay, let's show you now. Let's refresh the page. Just scroll down and you click on the console logs and just click. So you can see 2. Suppose you click, so 1. Suppose I remove, so 2 only. So suppose I remove here, so it's empty string. So this is the working very well. So what we have did, we have made like for each loop, and after we get the data value because of add class, so we are put 1. Suppose you remove the class, so we are put like 0. So I can show you using the here spec element, so you can understand. So you can see data value is equal to 0. Suppose I click here like 1, so you can see it like here 1. Suppose I click again, so it's going to 0. You see, and also remove the class, active class, and here you can get the data about the whatever you click. So same thing we did here, like get brand id. Same thing you can do like a get color ids. I hope you can understand what I did here. Colors ids. Okay, so let's go to back again our form. We have declared the forms. Where is our form? Like here. So same, just you can copy paste and you can change here, and here you can make like a color ids. Let's try is working, not working. Just save the files, just go back again, refresh the page, and I remove the F12 to spec elements, and I just go back, click here. So you can see it's working very well. You see, so we are getting the IDs about the colors. Here also getting Nokia, Samsung, Nokia. You can select, so is also working, and here you can check, so color also working. So we are getting the all the IDs whatever you did, like subcategory, color ID, and brand ID. Now remaining about like price. So price we need to check about module. So I can't show you right now because it's taking time. I will check better. We can check first. I will check my end first, and after I can show you. So next point about like short by here. Okay. So how to work this short by, and also we need to make this is the also dynamic. Okay. So most popular, most published, and dates. So once you can choose the short by, so we need to suppose you are choose like a most popular, like we need to make like a select. First column select, second column is like most popular. So whatever you can choose, we need to put data here. So you choose the dates, so you can put here data. So let's show you now. Just go to short by, just search here, so here there. So popular, rating, and dates already their value. So just you can put like where, sorry, another option, select, and here you can do it like a null, because of sometime you don't want to make filtering, you need a like a basic one. So how you can do it, this reason, remove this select. Also you can remove here selected select, right? Okay, we don't need. So here already provide like id. So but do you want to make like a one class, so also possible, whatever do you want to like, but I just make like change brand. Same thing we can make like a change short by, because we need to use like a same thing, change brand, change color, change like a brands, change category. So we can do it same thing, change short by. So let's scroll down, and it's very simple, not like difficulty. Whatever you can think, you can copy. Like this is the checkbox event, same thing like a change event. Just copy, paste here, and you can change here. Okay, change. And if we don't want to use anything, just copy, and you can remove everything, and you can put here, because we need to get his value. So like change short by, so this is the value we need to get. Okay, I can show you using spec element so you can better understand. And here you can like get short by, short by. Okay, so let's create one form again, like a form inside input box. Same thing we did here. So just copy paste, it's very easy. Now we can do it like a short by id. Okay, so let's scroll down again, and we have only pass. So let's go back again, refresh the page. So here is a like for input box, like one is like category, second brand, third is the color, and fourth one is a short by. Let's save these files and just go back again, refresh the page, and we need to choose this one. Like you can see most popular not showing. Let me check and show you. Okay, why it's not working, let's see. short bys, get short by, change short by, and here. So let's make like a spec element and we can check why it's not getting the data. Sometimes generate the issue, so we need to solve. Okay, about this spelling mistake, here is the id and here is the id, so just you can change like a id. Okay, and you can remove this once. Now I think work 100% because of this spelling mistake. This is the reasons, because we have opened the spec element so we can see it error, but we already directly this results. Let's check. So you see popularity, suppose I can choose like most review, means most ratings, and dates. Suppose I can select, so it's going to blank. So is a whatever default means a view, you can see it here. So this is the working very well, you can see it here. You see, same thing, you can choose the category also work, same thing you can choose the color also work here, and same thing you can choose Nokia means the brand, so also can work. Now here is only remaining like filtering, so we need to get this price, like you are choose like 100 to 715 price, so range you need to get. But this is the I need to check is plugin, after I can explain. So in this video what I cover, we have covered about like how we can get the IDs, like a category ID how we can get, like color ID how we can get, and brand ID and price ID, not price, like a this is the short buy. So next video we can cover like a, call the Ajax, sorry, call the Ajax, and we get the data about the like whatever you filtering put here. So like this we are getting the ear data inside next video, and I can show you very well, so don't worry about that. And I hope you can understand what I explained. So do you have a question, so please comment, and do you want to like this video, so please like. And I again request, you are new in this channel or in this series, so please subscribe and please press the bell icon, because we are uploading lots of contents. We are not getting enough subscribers, so please help and please share your friends so he can learn something new. Because of this is the like filtering, I know the people like don't like, but this is the good, because of I have made like proper way. I am thinking my end, but your end what are you thinking, I don't. Okay, so thank you for watching error solutions.